Hello mga kaguro, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano tayo makakapag-live stream gamit ang ating Google Meet. Okay, so first, kailangan mo ng isang G Suite account. Okay, so kung meron kang G Suite account, just go to Google Calendar or by typing the URL calendar.google.com or you can find the calendar app dito sa ating Google Apps. Okay, just click the icon of calendar. Okay, so first you need to create an event. So click natin si create button dito sa may plus sign. Okay, so add title sa ating event. For example, live meeting. Okay, so mag-set tayo ng time kung anong oras mag-start yung ating meeting. So today is June 9, 11:22 a.m. So mag-set tayo ng beyond 11:22 a.m. So for example, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So today merong meeting So June 9, 2020 at 11 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay? So dito sa ating Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, click natin itong button na ito. Then it will generate a meeting link. So we have meet.google.com/dbb-jayq-rbo. Okay, so para magawa nating live stream itong ating meeting, just click the arrow down button here for the video or the view conference details and click this button, add live stream. So once na maklik na natin ito, mag-generate yan ng live stream link ng ating magiging live meeting. Okay? So ikakopy mo lang yan, then pwede mo na itong i-share, pwede mo nga i-paste sa social media or i-send via email or via messenger. Okay? So to invite people to watch the live stream, save this event and create a view-only copy. Okay? So click save and that's it. So ganyan lang po gumawa ng live stream sa ating Google Meet.